Milling machine, presentation. Milling machine. A milling machine is a machine tool that performs the rotating movement. The milling machine is perhaps the most used machine in manufacturing ventures after the lathe machine. In any case, for the situation of lathe machine tools, the tools used are single-point cutting tools, but for the situation of this machine, the tools used are multi-point cutting devices. This machine is a coarse in metal eliminating. The workpiece goes through the rotating multi-point shaper. This machine can hold one or more cutters in turn and pivots at high speed to eliminate the metal at a quicker rate. The metal removal rate is quicker when compared with a lathe machine. This kind of machine is used to make gears like spur gears, and also drill the workpiece bore and produce openings. The benefits of milling machines. The size and durable construction of the milling machine give it tremendous support to handle large and heavier machines without damaging itself. It provides flexible computer control options for cutting purposes. It reduces the chances of human error. It ensures accurate cuts. Milling machine types. The kinds of milling machines are as follows: section and knee type milling, vertical milling, horizontal milling, universal milling, fixed bed milling, simplex milling, duplex milling, triple milling, planar milling, CNC milling, tracer milling. A CNC milling machine. A CNC is the most common milling machine which is controlled by a PC. It is an overhauled rendition of the bed-type factory machine, in which the axle can move in each of the three directions and the table can turn 360 degrees. This means that all movement is powerfully controlled by a PC. In this case, any difficult math can be done on it. A sketch of the workpiece is located on the PC, which is cut on the workpiece by the cutters consequently. The use of milling machines. These are the following uses of the milling machine. These machines are used for making gears, typically used for a machined level surface, but can also produce sporadic surfaces, used to create the section or space. Modern factory machines cut superalloys, titanium, and elastic steel to higher resistance, with greater precision, and at a faster rate. This machine is used to design metal and different materials. Why Dewan Project Tech? Dewan Project Tech ensures timely supply of goods and equipment and also factors in transit insurance. We can customize as per each client's needs. Finding the right vendor to meet your needs in all commercial and technical fields can be difficult. We work in a professional nature to fulfill the supply on time with regard to the quality factor as per firm norms. We keep secrecy to maintain our business ethics while dealing with clients. Ensure the manufacturing department gets the supply without delay. Taking control of the cost and process execution in line with multiple vendors. Evaluating, selecting, and auditing the vendor in accordance with the customer's requirements with various vendors of the same specifications and maintain the quality standards. The 4 R's are essential. The right place, the right quality, the right time, and the right price. We would get the suppliers on board at a genuine price. Contact us at the given below address and follow us on our social media and also share on your social networks.